Hi, welcome back to my video. Okay, still in Autodesk Inventor basic tutorial. Okay, today I will show you, or I will share to you with you how to create this. This is a called side stretcher for dining chair, for any chair. So side stretcher. Okay, the most important question which all people always ask is how to create this slanting countable hole. Okay, as you can see, it's a drill through from bottom and out to this part here, or this one is a tenon. The hole is throughout this tenon. Okay, I will show the half view. So this view, so I show half section view to the front plane. Okay, alright, so as you can see, this is a slanting countable hole. Okay, the question is how what is the proper way to do this. Okay, imagine that you need a starting point. Okay, you need a starting point is here. Okay, so I will go back. I will create this a sample design first. So new metric standard alright, then we create from front plane, XY plane, new sketch, then we create a simple design. So we're slanting on the back and slanting on the front. So overall size will be 390 mm. So overall width is 40 mm. So we use a vertical function to vertical constraint this part here, this line. Use a midpoint and then this 0 point. Okay, so now we log this by use half of this dimension, so divide by 2. Alright, then we give the angle here. Slanting is 2 mm on the front, and on back is about 7 mm or 8 mm. Okay, so this is slanting on the back, and then this is slanting on the front. So I create this first, extrude. Okay, 20 mm as thickness. So I choose material as wood, beech. Okay, then I create a tenon part here on this surface. This one delete. Use project geometry to project this as square shape. Then use this one as construction. Create a circle with diameter 12 mm. Then use a vertical function, vertical up here, and then horizontal to the side here. Alright, so extrude 15 mm. Okay, then make the same on the back here. So let's say start construction, then use circle. Okay, create a 12 mm diameter, and then use function vertical. Okay, then horizontal. Alright, so this one construction, so same, extrude with 15 mm. Okay, now the next part is how to create that angle slanting countable hole. Okay, to do that, you must imagine where is the starting point of your boring bit. Okay, let's say I show you the boring bit. Alright, so I show you the other one. Okay, boring bit, this special boring bit have two diameter attached. So first diameter is 10 mm, and then the second diameter is 5 mm diameter. Okay, as you can see, this is the starting point. All right, if I rotate here, okay, this I rotate. Okay, this is we call starting point of your boring bit. Okay, the counterbore hole, this is the starting point. As you can see, you need to insert the boring bit like this. All right, you need to insert the boring bit like this from here, and it will come out from here. All right, so what you need to do is to check the dimension on the actual part from here, the outer part here, from here up to here, not here. Okay, this one no need. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, you must measure from here up to here, to this point. Okay, I show you from front. Okay, from here and up to here, and then you determine where is the he go out, where is the outer part. Okay, he go out from where, so this is where it go out. It go out the, so you need to through the hole here. Okay, then next dimension is you need to determine how long the screw you need. Okay, in this example I will show the screw size is 45 mm. Okay, again I will use 45 mm. Okay, what I need from inside is about 1 inch. That means 25 mm. Okay, 25 mm inside. That means the outer part is, the go out is 20 mm. 20 mm is enough to tighten the stretcher to the leg. Alright, so let's go to the part. Okay, as I show you, you need to measure from here up to this point. Okay, this one you don't need to worry, because this is diameter 10, then this is diameter 5, and then you need to fix your dimension inside. From here to here is 25 mm. Alright, so I go to front, and then I choose SY plane, right click, new sketch, and then I use project cut edges to project all the edges to the outside, and then I scroll down here. Alright, then right click on solid 1, off the visibility, so you can see the outline of the outer sketch. So select all, and then click this one, construction. Okay, I just need put 1 point here, then I put dimension from here to here is 40 mm. Okay, let's say 40 mm. I measure from here up to here is 40 mm. Okay, that is enough. So next is I use a rectangle, 3-point rectangle. Okay, use 3-point rectangle to create a simulation of the boring bit. Okay, create the simulation of boring bit. So create like this, and then fix the diameter first. Alright, fix the diameter first. Let's say 10 mm, 25 mm. Okay, 10 mm, 10 mm diameter, and then you need a line from here up to here. Okay, anywhere up to here, and then this line must parallel with this line. Okay, must parallel. Okay, as you can see, this is the center boring, the center part boring, but I need to go lower bit. Alright, I need to go lower bit, and then I use this point to lock to this point. Okay, let's say the diameter, the small diameter is 5 mm, and then you need around here is 4 mm. That means that you have another sorry, not 4, 2.5 mm 2.5 mm, that means you just need 2 mm here. Alright, that means you have a 0.5 mm allowance here. Alright, if you can if you say that not enough, then you can choose to lower a bit, 1.8. Alright, and then the next part is to determine the size of inner part screw. Okay, the inner part here. So the screw, the inner part, you must let's say you need 25 mm. So let's say 25 mm, and then the overall size of the screw, okay, let's say 45 mm. So as you can see, this part here still inside the leg, so it is enough to strengthen the leg and structure. Okay, after that you need to show the dimension on this part. Okay, this is we call head tip. So show dimension from here up to here. Okay, then it will show 21.509 mm. So click and then just click accept. Okay, click accept. Okay, first you need to rename this dimension first, dimension properties, then rename. Okay, rename this dimension to heat underscore 01. So that means this is the first hit of boring bit. So before finish sketch, I draw the second part on the rear side, on the back side. So same method, point first, then dimension from here to here, 40 mm, then use rectangle 3 point. Alright, then draw to here. Okay, then fix the diameter of boring bit first, 10 mm, then use line, alright, up to here, then use a parallel to here, and then fix this area first. Okay, let's say I use same 1.8 mm. Okay, should be enough. And then I use this point up to here, I need same 25 mm, and then of course the overall screw size is 45 mm. Okay, and then I use same dimension here to here. Alright, so click accept, right click, dimension properties, then change to head underscore 02. Alright, that's it. So finish sketch. Okay, before I continue, I need to explain the second step. This is the first step. Okay, the second step to create this hole is to determine the insert angle. That means you need something flat or here. You need something flat here to create another sketch for point. So what you need is actually a work plane. So I show you. Okay, so what you need is this work plane. Okay, this work plane, if I show you here like this. Okay, if I show you like this, alright, and then I change this as a top, and then I choose this front. Okay, as you can see, this is the plane you need. Okay, this plane must 90-degree with this boring bit. Okay, this work plane must 90-degree with this boring bit. Okay, to do so, okay, what you need is actually pretty simple. All you need to do is choose this plane, and then first you must click this point first, click the point first, then the second is you need click this line. Alright, so that's it. First work plane. As you can see, the orange part is the outer part, and then the blue one is the inside part. So you need to flip this work plane. Right click, flip normal. So this one, this should be okay. So next, second work plane over here. Alright, key. Okay, click. Alright, same. If you see this is blue, so right click, flip normal, so it should be done. Okay, now the next part is to create sketch on this work plane. Right click, new sketch. Alright, then all you need to do, just use project geometry, then project the point. Okay, project a point, click a point, click, and then done, finish sketch. Then make the same thing on the second work plane. Okay, right click, new sketch, right, then use project geometry, project this point, finish sketch. Then first off this sketch first, off visibility. Alright, then on the solid body. Okay, as you can see, we have a 2 point here. Alright, so all you need to do is make one by one. So I off the visibility on the second sketch first. Right click, off visibility. Okay, I make this one first, hole, and then choose simple hole, and then choose counterbore, choose through all, choose direction default. Okay, 10 mm diameter head. Okay, then head tip, use head underscore 01, or you can choose from here this parameter. Alright, alright, so lower diameter is 5 mm. Click OK, so done. Alright, next, same here. So show the sketch first on the visibility, and then use hole, same, just change this one to 02. Alright, it's done. So that's it. So just you need to off visibility this one first. So as you can see from here, I use a view, half section view. Alright, so as I plane, so that's it. So you can see it's working pretty well. Okay, what happened, you change the dimension, is a pretty easy one. If you don't need 40, you need 35. Alright, it doesn't matter, it will change for you, so it's not a big matter. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment me. Thank you.